you know how to vibe code but don't know how to turn that skill into a profitable business, or you're simply looking for unorthodox ideas, this video may help you spark creativity. Over the past couple of years, I've tested a vast number of different tools, from user authentication and user management platforms to services offering activity feeds, chats, and automated workflows. By combining the power of coding with third-party services, you can create something truly exceptional. And today, I'm going to share some of my own ideas with you. Here's my list of top 3 business ideas for vibe coders. Let's dive deep. Number 1. Create a trading indicator. On platforms like TradingView, people use custom trading indicators, and you can create one yourself. With vibe coding tools, you can leverage AI to write a truly unique Pine script for you. Just study different trading strategies, then give AI a task to turn those ideas into Pine script. And there you go, your own custom indicator, ready to sell online. To sell your indicator, you can create a simple one-page website with Stripe API for payments. The entire setup can be done in a single day. And to make a polished website, you can use a new very cool tool, the sponsor of this video, Matter by JetBrains. Matter helps you turn your ideas, designs, and mockups into a working product without writing any code. It's built to work with your existing code base, speeding up the process of building and improving your website. Matter by JetBrains is an AI-powered workspace that lets product teams prototype and edit real websites just by describing what they want in plain language. No coding is required. You connect your GitHub repo, give prompts like add a reviews section or make this a single page checkout, and Matter safely generates the code changes in an isolated environment. Product managers, designers, and developers can collaborate, preview, and share changes without waiting on full dev cycles. I picked a public GitHub repo and pasted the link. Matter set up a mirrored project called admin1 dashboard, analyzed the code, detected a next.js server, generated scripts, and finished configuring the preview. After confirming everything looked good, I created a new idea. I asked Matter to change the sidebar hover effect. It updated the code and showed the result live. I opened the preview in a new tab to see it clearly, then prompted it to tweak the UI, sidebar opacity, translucent navbar around the search bar, outline profile icon, and Poppins font. Matter also supports real-time collaboration so others can edit or comment live. Finally, I compared before and after versions. All changes matched my prompts, and the summary and changed file steps showed every update. Go ahead and test the tool yourself, improve your website with Matter. All links are in the description. It's currently in JetBrains Early Access program, so you can join the wait list to try it out. Next, number 2, create a try-on app or photo restoration tool. By giving generative AI a unique twist, you can create a standout business. In one of my previous videos, I showed how to build a try-on app for models, actors, or anyone buying clothes online who wants to see how they'll look in them. In a similar way, you can create an app that automatically restores old photographs. All you need is a solid vibe coding tool, integration with models like Nana Banana or Seedream 4.0, and some prompt engineering to guide the AI on what to do with uploaded images. The process becomes fully automated. On the front end, users will see a simple interface with clear CTAs like try on this outfit or restore and colorize photo. Easy. I'd personally pay for a good photo restoration app. Number 3, create your own online polygraph. Yes, as a solo vibe coder, you can even create your own lie detector. By using services like Stream, you can give your LLM eyes and ears. Stream provides video and audio SDKs that let you power up your AI. Just use a vibe coding tool, plug in your Stream API, and your LLM will start receiving live data from the camera and microphone. From there, you can build a polygraph style system for screening new employees, for example. Applicants could answer questions while the AI analyzes their tone, facial expressions, and behavioral patterns. The possibilities are limited only by your imagination. So these are my top 3 business ideas for vibe coders. As you've probably noticed, you don't need to build everything from scratch. Just use ready-made services and combine them to create something unique and powerful. In today's world, you don't need massive resources to launch a startup. Just the right tools. Like the sponsor of this video, Matter by JetBrains. Matter by JetBrains lets startups turn ideas or mockups into working websites instantly. Just describe the changes you want and it writes and previews the code for you. Matter compresses weeks of development into minutes, letting founders, designers, and product managers build without waiting for full dev cycles. Go check out the links in the description. I'm done for now, and I'll talk to you soon. Ivan KV out.